Good afternoon, LinkedIn friends, HubSpot Nation. Welcome to part two, where we tackle all 200 updates. Uh, Part one, we handled 102 updates. Uh, Part two, we've got 100 today and less time to do it. So we're just going to speed run through just to get it out in there. There's so many of these that I still have not seen yet. So we know others haven't either. And we had some good feedback after Tuesday, right, Casey?
We did. And I was just this early afternoon, morning on the Sprocketeer weekly power hour. And a lot of people were asking about updates. And we're very even excited to hear that we had done the first show and I was inviting people to the second show. So hopefully we have some people joining from that too.
There we go. And if you are a consultant, coach, or partner wondering if you should do similar things, um, because at the end of the day, we're just reading through these out loud. It makes enablement and teaching so much easier when you have these things to point to after the fact. And there's so many tools in HubSpot now that make it easier than ever to repurpose the content. So if I haven't shared the link yet, we've got the a recap of the first session on the Profoundly blog. All of our Wake Up Customer Platform shows are there, and we're gonna try and create a better strategic understanding around all of the things that HubSpot is up to from an updates perspective. Right after our show last time, we got some feedback at Profoundly that was telling us how great the experience was of what they were able to do. Getting in touch with a pro quickly, and their only piece of like feedback that they shared was like, it would be great if there was something you could do to help us keep up with updates and let us know which pros are good at which updates and could actually translate it for our business. So again, we know this problem exists. It was all over, inbound. So that's why we're here doing this. And it's been good to hear the feedback already. With that, we've got a bit of a challenge on our hands to get through 100 updates in less than 100 minutes.
I was gonna
So
say, Chris, you said no chatting.
once we get in, we got to set it up.
This is a
Right.
very serious live today.
Yes. And if you're watching this and you have questions, we want to make time for that. And we already have, which is the HubSpot helpline that is going to be going live right after this from the Profoundly page. So when we're serious about trying to help you understand and not feel so far behind, we're doing everything we can, folks. And there's a lot of folks already like feeling better about the situation. So feel free to join us. All right. First one I'll take because it's my boy Claude, obviously. HubSpot connector for Claude, additional object access, read only, and admin controls. What is it? The HubSpot connector for Claude now supports read-only access to additional CRM objects and their associations. In addition to contacts, companies, deals, and tickets, now it can access users, line items, quotes, invoices, orders, carts, products, subscriptions, and object lists. All of those things support sales teams, commerce teams, marketing teams, support teams, customer success teams. Yes, you can do all of these things in HubSpot now, folks. Additionally, the HubSpot connector for Claude now also includes admin controls, allowing super admins and users with App Marketplace permissions to go to connected apps. HubSpot connector for Claude, give users access. Can learn more with a knowledge base article.
Very cool.
Indeed. No chit
Nothing
chat.
else to say. No chit chat. I have questions, but I'll save them. Introducing buying groups. There's something at the top that says by joining. You acknowledge the early adopter program, blah, blah, blah. What is it? We're excited to announce the launch of Buying Groups, HubSpot's new native version of Org Chart Hub, which joined the HubSpot family in June. Buying Groups bring powerful context right into HubSpot, making it easier than ever for your team to understand and influence every decision maker involved in a sale. The new functionality centers around two key elements. One, the buying group functionality allows sales teams to get a clear visual of key stakeholders they are prospecting and selling to. And two, the account mapping functionality provides a clear visual of the structure of the company. So it's a two-way sync with the related company's parent and child association. This one's very cool. Check it out. It's one of the ones I started sending to my clients from inbound.
What? Maybe I should say the name first.
Yeah, that would be helpful.
AI lookalike lists. What is it? Let Breeze AI do the work for you and quickly find more customers who look and behave like your best customers. And that's it. Maybe we're finding lookalike segments, though, at this point.
Yes. This one got introduced a while ago, too. Actually, at Spring Spotlight, I think. So
yeah.
So we don't need to chat about it.
We don't have the choice. Remember, it'll be hard for both of us. I know, but we can do it.
New list intro page with AI suggestions. I think this should say new segments intro page with AI suggestions, but it's fine. What is it? The segments, formerly known as lists intro, is a centralized experience to help you understand and manage your segments and uncover new segmentation opportunities with suggestions. List suggestions analyze your goals, ideal customer, and target personas and suggest 3 segments for your consideration.
AI-powered video marketing. What is it? We are introducing a new set of video features that streamline your workflows, publish search optimized, maybe AI optimized at this point, content faster, manage video editing, and measure performance across channels. Combined with our new clip editor, HubSpot is the ultimate destination for your marketing videos. With optimization, you can see all the SEO relevant fields for your video on a single screen and quickly optimize with AI. For clips, if you use Remix to generate video clips, you can now manage these video projects under our Clips tab. The Clips tab will show you draft editor projects and rendered exported videos. Performance insights, whether a video is hosted on a customer's website, on a HubSpot customer's website, or shared on social media, we have the reports to help you analyze its performance. I will be doing another unboxing with Ankur and that team in early October. So excited for that.
Breeze Copilot data model configuration. What is it? Breeze Copilot can now help you configure your data model and answer questions about best practices. You don't need to worry about knowing all the exact terminology. Just explain what you're trying to achieve, and Breeze Copilot will guide you along the way.
Deploy customer agent to custom channels. What is it? Businesses can now deploy the customer agent to a variety of channels like SMS, Instagram, Telegram, Line, WhatsApp, and Slack. You can build your own channel integration with the Custom Channels API, or click here to discover which marketplace apps offer this out of the box with more integrations on the way.
Great. Wanted to make sure my list was the same order as yours. Quick fill an index page with smart properties. You'll now be able to fill a view when you're creating a smart property, enabling you to more quickly start using your smart properties to fill missing data and gain valuable company insights. I would like to unbox this at some point. I'm not sure I totally understand where this is available.
Yeah, it feels like data agent. Another way to say what data agent is doing, maybe on the index
Yes.
screen.
Yes.
Maybe I'll click favorite on some of these that we might want to. If we go too fast and somehow have time at the end, maybe we can come back to some favorites that chatted up.
Smart properties are very cool. I'm just not sure where this fits into that piece specifically.
Right. Today's Insights card. What is it? The new Today's Insights card in Help Desk Workspace shows key trends in rep availability, ticket volume, and team performance. Of note, the new card links directly to the relevant place in Service Hub. For example, an insight about an increase in tickets that didn't meet SLA might link directly to a view of those tickets, enabling leaders to take action to quickly resolve bottlenecks.
Great. New reporting CRM cards, customer lifetime value, and revenue attribution. We're excited to introduce the CRM reporting cards, customer lifetime value, and revenue attribution. These cards provide AI-powered summaries and key data points to help you understand each customer's value and journey, enabling personalized experiences and smarter decisions that drive stronger relationships and long-term loyalty. Nice.
The last one that is impact level medium. Average NPS rating and customer satisfaction score CRM cards. What is it? 2 new CRM reporting cards integrate directly into company and contact record pages, displaying average net promoter score ratings and customer satisfaction scores from HubSpot feedback survey responses.
Two back-to-back card updates.
Yeah. As I switch over, get to say something. Actually, it's not that hard. Never mind. Yeah, those things work if you have that data in HubSpot. Just if your revenue data is somewhere else, that CLV card is not going to work very well for you. All right, so we are on to the low impact level. And as we know at this point, impact is really referring to like functionality and like, is it going to change the system itself and make you like force you to change your processes? But often strategic impact, which maybe we should start classifying things from a strategic impact perspective, since that's what a lot of people want to understand. But yeah, so low here, functionality, impact, but could be very strategically high impact. And
these are a mix. It says AI filters at the top, but that's just because it's displaying incorrectly.
Yeah. So maybe let's do that again. We've got like 9 pages here. We can start without AI. Most of them. Okay. Let's get into it. 2025 Essential Apps for Data Activation Collection. What is it? The 2025 Essential Apps for Data Activation Collection in the HubSpot Marketplace is now live. View the full collection in the HubSpot Marketplace here with the link to that place. When paired together with HubSpot, the 11 apps featured in the new collection help marketers achieve smarter automations, deeper personalization, and better AI performance. Many of the apps can also be used to bring data into the new Data Studio in Data Hub. These apps include Snowflake, Google BigQuery for Data Studio, Google Sheets for Data Studio, Amplitude, Pendo, Microsoft Excel 365 for Data Studio, Amazon S3, Stripe, Xero, QuickBooks Online, and Shopify.
My order on my screen is already very different than yours, so I can't wait for this. But
and this is without AI feature selected?
We're doing
Can we
great.
just run them all together?
I don't know.
Does this make it better?
I found it.
Okay. All right. Without AI first.
Segment analytics. We don't have time for this nonsense.
We're fine.
Everything's fine. Segment analytics. What is it? The Analyze tab in Segments, previously lists, provides insight into how your segments are used across channels, how segments are progressing through the buying journey, what overlaps exist between segments, and which segments require action. I'm excited about this.
Yes. If you somehow have not heard, lists in HubSpot are now called segments with the parentheses lists. Add custom tags to reports list. What is it? You can now add custom tags to any report from the reports list page to organize and categorize your reporting.
All right, renaming data enrichment and buyer intent. Goodbye to the Breeze intelligence name. What is it? As of September 3rd at Inbound 2025, the Breeze Intelligence name will be officially retired. Going forward, you will see this functionality referred to as data enrichment and buyer intent as part of the Smart CRM. All functionality remains intact with the terminology updated across the platform, UI, and knowledge base articles. That had to be difficult to coordinate.
Up to what?
To coordinate the updating the terminology across everything.
Indeed. I'm thankful for that terminology change, though. Dedicated IP per brand. What is it? Maintain full control over each brand's email reputation with dedicated IPs assigned to every brand in your portal. Getting some easy ones here.
Yeah, I know. Intent signal, job change signals. What is it? Job change signals allow you to write job change related intent data directly to the contact record for companies you are monitoring. Specifically, it'll allow you to write values to all new job change related intent company contact properties, generate all new job change related intent company and contact events. The best part, we keep this data up to date for you as new job change related intent signals are detected. We keep your data fresh. I think I just want to drill into at some point all the data enhancement things, but the job change signals being one, especially with emails changing when you change jobs sometimes.
It looks like you'll have more opportunities soon. Legal stuff update, our favorite kind of update. September 3rd. Hello. HubSpot recently updated the customer terms of service. We recommend you take a look at this community post for more information. Thanks, HubSpot.
If this is included in their 200 number, that just feels...
Yeah, it's hard to make sense of it. This is probably what happens when every department is responsible for writing their own update. And legal wrote this one.
Legal's like, I don't get it. Data enrichment tab. The new Data Enrichment tab gives customers a single place to manage enrichment across their CRM. It includes data test, run a full portal scan to check enrichment coverage across all companies and contacts in your CRM and review property level coverage. Available enrichment, preview the enrichment data we have any list or segment in your CRM, then enrich the entire list with a single click. This makes it easier to see where enrichment is available, evaluate coverage, and quickly backfill or update records.
Management tab. So over here, here it is in the data management area.
I have checked it out. It's convenient
Yeah, my only request
and
is
available for all hubs and tiers.
maybe use the data you already have first before trying to get everybody else's data. Email deliverability reporting and private beta. What is it? A new email deliverability dashboard within email marketing that allows marketing ops teams to better understand their email deliverability performance.
Love to see it. CRM source citations in Breeze Assistant. With CRM source citations in Breeze Assistant, you can now trace responses from Breeze back to the original source in the CRM. Ah, nice.
Super powerful, not as black boxy as it used to be. A reimagined data quality overview. What is it? We're launching a brand new data quality experience in HubSpot, a centralized, redesigned experience that introduces more actionable insights and quick actions, making it easier than ever for users to identify and resolve data issues across their CRM.
Customize board view with any property. It's one of those things that is low impact, but was very highly talked about online. So whatever you want to do with that information. But you can now group CRM records in board view by any property, not just pipeline stage. Choose any property such as deal owner, ticket priority, or custom fields to organize your board view into columns. Note, access to this beta it includes the new CRM board experience and requires enrollment in the Flexible CRM Views beta. Flexible CRM Views beta is very cool.
I can't resist this time. We were just on a client call and went to activated this beta and showed the Gantt chart situation that's happening now. And they already had tasks and it was already like a fully built Gantt chart. And it blew their mind. Like, oh my gosh, like I never thought HubSpot could do that stuff.
I had a similar call with the report view in that. So
create custom rules to manage duplicate records. What is it? We're introducing custom rules for duplicate identification in the Manage Duplicates tool. This feature lets users define their own duplicate matching criteria using exact matches on up to 3 properties, including custom properties for contacts and companies. Baby steps, Casey. Baby steps.
I just want to put a warning out there that this is very cool if you don't already use a deduplication tool. If you already are using a deduplication tool, unlikely this will replace that tool for you due to the current limitations. That's all I'll say on it.
Yep.
Contact send time optimization. What is it? Send time optimization analyzes recipient behavior and automatically sends emails at the ideal time for each individual recipient, maximizing engagement and campaign performance. Wow, I've seen this. I thought it gave you like a general account level time recommendations, but did not realize it was recipient specific. Wow.
Yes. Individuals. This is what they mean by personal, personal, personal. You just did contact send time, right? Is that different from suggested email send times?
Oh.
Right? This is different. All right.
Apparently
This is marketing emails. Okay, got it. What is optimize engagement? What is the name of this thing first? Suggested email send times. What is it? Optimize engagement with send time recommendations, ensuring your marketing emails reach your audience when they're most likely to engage.
So I think that's what I thought the other one was.
Yeah, very, very similar.
I thought you didn't opt into email betas on principle. Date-based versioned APIs. What is it? We're rolling out date-based versioning across HubSpot APIs, a major enhancement designed to improve clarity, consistency, and confidence for developers and better enable AI and agentic consumption of HubSpot APIs. This initial release comprises a subset of our APIs geared towards external testing by our developer community. Full delivery of date-based versioned APIs across the platform will follow later in the year with a target release of all APIs updated by March 2025, which has passed, so I'm not sure.
Project object with Gantt chart view. What is it? You can now manage projects in HubSpot using a new project object and visualize them with a Gantt chart view, giving you the ability to execute structured project management directly in HubSpot Smart CRM. The Gantt chart view provides a visual timeline of your records and associated tasks, helping you see how work is progressing over time. You can also use table view and board view, and I recommend hitting this link. There is a Loom walkthrough in the How Does It Work section.
We love a Loom walkthrough. File manager sorting and filtering improvements. Introducing enhanced sorting and filtering for the file manager. Find your files faster with new multi-level sorting options and advanced filters. Now you can quickly narrow your search using filters for file type, uploaded date, file status, and uploaded by.
Digital asset management inside of HubSpot. Enable auto record for Zoom meetings via HubSpot. What is it? Say, Casey, have you ever forgotten to record an important meeting?
I have.
Well, the Zoom app for HubSpot now has the ability to enable automatic recording of meetings in Zoom directly from HubSpot. When you turn on enable auto recording of meeting in Zoom from your integration settings, HubSpot will activate this setting in your Zoom account on your behalf, ensuring all your meetings are recorded without manual intervention. By switching on enable auto recording of meeting in Zoom from your integration setting page in HubSpot, you will give HubSpot permission to activate the auto record setting in your Zoom account on your behalf. This will mean that all your Zoom meetings will be recorded and synced to HubSpot without you needing to manually record every meeting. This will happen seamlessly for you.
Sounds beautiful. Developer experience transition, converting developer portals to HubSpot accounts. The new HubSpot developer platform is now available for all existing public app developers and partners, unlocking free access to the HubSpot CRM, sales, and other hubs. That's cool. Nice.
Store data in HubSpot as unique app-specific objects. This one's a doozy. What is it? App objects let certain apps from the HubSpot marketplace create dedicated CRM objects directly inside your portal. These objects give integration data a structured home in HubSpot so you can store and act on app-specific data, just like contacts, companies, or deals. And a very important point, without requiring enterprise.
Very important. New developer overview. The HubSpot developer platform has a new dynamic overview page. This is an evergreen space that will grow and change with developers throughout their HubSpot development journey. A lot of developer updates out of HubSpot, just in case out of Inbound, in case you have
Brand new developer platform.
Yeah.
So probably very high impact for all the developers in the room. It continues. HubSpot MCP server remote. What is it? The HubSpot MCP model context protocol server, the remote version, is now available in public beta. This unlocks the ability to bring HubSpot context into the tools and environments where you work. With the hosted endpoint, mcp.hubspot.com, you can connect any compatible MCP client, allowing you to create custom workflows and integrations powered by your HubSpot context. The HubSpot MCP server supports read-only access to the following CRM objects: contacts, companies, deals, tickets, invoices, products, line items, orders, carts, subscriptions, and quotes. The server is secure by design. Whew. Thank you for that, HubSpot. It connects to HubSpot accounts via OAuth, and all tool calls respect both user level and field level permissions configured in the connected account. Can we just I just need to highlight, it's sad that we need to have the sentence there that says this server is secure by design. Yes, the billion-dollar company cares about security. Surprise.
CMS migration support for Project Platform V2025.2. CMS migration support allows you to migrate your existing project-based CMS content to the new Project Platform version 2025.2 using the HS project migrate command in the HubSpot CLI. There is documentation on this. I believe basically if you want to move your project into the HubSpot new project, you could do that.
New app development onboarding. HS Get Started. What is it? HS Get Started is a guided CLI command that helps you go from zero to a deployed HubSpot app in minutes. It scaffolds a sample app with an app card, walks you through building and deploying, and points you to next steps, all from your local environment. This command is part of the 2025.2 Developer Platform Projects Framework, where apps are defined and managed through source-controlled configuration files.
2025 Essential Apps for Sales Collection. Introducing the 2025 Essential Apps for Sales Collection in the HubSpot Marketplace. View the full collection in the Marketplace by clicking the link here. 14 apps are featured in this year's collection for driving smarter sales and better performance, especially when combined with Sales Hub. These apps include Trumpet, QuotaPath, Gmail, Outlook, Zoom, Slack, Microsoft Teams, Aircall, CallRail, Gong, PartnerStack, DocuSign, Seismic Embedded, and Clay.
Sync to ads from segments. What is it? Easily activate contact segments across ad networks like LinkedIn, Google, and Facebook right from your segment, unlocking segment creation and activation in one unified experience.
This was possible before, it just takes fewer steps now. Recommended templates for dashboards and reports. We've introduced smart template recommendations in two key areas of HubSpot reporting experience. First, the dashboard template library. Second, the report creation flow. These recommendations help you find the most relevant dashboards and report faster by suggesting templates based on your data and goals. Big one next.
Process guides. What is it? Process guides are a new way for admins to guide reps through structured, step-by-step workflows during live calls or when capturing data in HubSpot Smart CRM. Unlike playbooks that provide static resources and content, process guides create dynamic, interactive workflows that adjust based on rep inputs, enable reps to complete the right actions during fast-paced calls, and automatically update CRM data without extra effort. And there is a whole slew of screenshots in this one, and it is available at professional level. Hell yes, I'm just putting the dots together that this is a supremely better version of playbooks. That's very exciting. You're muted.
Thank you.
Had to happen at least once.
I got the little sticker from Fathom that says you're on mute. I was very excited about that sticker. Object property snapshots for event data. HubSpot now automatically captures and stores key property values when events occur, giving you historical context for better reporting and attribution.
Good note, we are doing an unboxing next week with Maggie from the custom events team. She's very excited about this feature, so I'm sure we'll be talking about it as we do our best to break down clear definition of what the word event means, wherever and whenever you see it in HubSpot.
And we'll be hosting an event.
To move mountains over here, Casey.
We'll host an event where we will talk about what the word event.
Contact email logging rules. What is it? Contact email logging rules. Let admins configure their portal to automatically capture all email communications between users and existing contacts in HubSpot.
More flexibility in property field type changes. You can now change certain custom property field types even when they're in use on reports, views, or record pages. Specifically, you can switch between single line text and multi-line text, switch between text, single or multiple text and URL, and switch from single select to multi-select. Oh my, I just did that last one the week before Inbound.
And I switched, I don't know if you could before, but I just switched a drop down into multi-select. Like there's been several moments where like, oh no, I'm going to have to do all this to change it. And then I just go change it and it's fine. Like this is a huge, huge change.
Look, high impact in my heart.
Yes. Yeah. How is that? It's changing functionality. How is that not?
Because so few people touch that. Like how many out of all the HubSpot users, the amount of people that like, I very much care about that. The average HubSpot user doesn't even know that's like not an option, right? Like they've never even thought about it.
Okay. You got me.
Yeah, Chris.
Is this on me?
Yeah, I just
lost track. Okay, you did that one.
I just did that one.
This is going well. Respond to disputes and chargebacks within Commerce Hub. What is it? You can now manage disputed payments directly within Commerce Hub using a new self-service dispute resolution flow, enabling you to respond to chargebacks without leaving HubSpot.
Speaking of events, third-party call events. Call started and call ended. HubSpot now enables publishing call started and call ended events for third-party calls. These apps are not only logged, but can also be leveraged in Journey Analytics and workflows, making call data actionable across the platform. To ensure these events are published correctly, integrators need to send the following SDK events: incoming call, call ended, and finalize engagement. For full implementation details, refer to the API documentation. Nice.
And quick shout out to Sarah here, who gets it. Hopefully we're doing you proud since you couldn't be at Inbound and you called us out directly to be good correspondents. Hopefully we're doing a good job here. And I'm not, as I completely forget where we were, except for information pop over for events and membership filters. I know what these words mean. What is it? We've added information popovers for events and list memberships. These provide helpful context so customers can more easily select the right events and lists, resulting in more accurate segment filters. Popover?
The screenshots are actually kind of nice.
Like, I'm guessing this is the popover. Is that a word that I just haven't come across?
I've never heard of it before, but apparently that's what that functionality is. I've heard it be called other things, but I can't remember right now, and so we don't have to wait for me to figure that out.
Tool tips.
Yeah. Create lead scores with total score limits up to 10,000. All lead scoring customers, both professional and enterprise, can now create lead scores with a total score limit of up to 10,000. You can select the following options from the total score limit dropdown: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 1,000, and 10,000. The increased score limit applies to all types of scores, contacts, companies, and deals. Essentially, if the previous scoring tool, you had unlimited score, you could score up to 1 million. And that was annoying for some people trying to rebuild their old score. If you want to know why you shouldn't just rebuild your old score, send me a DM.
And buyer email to payment link redirects. What is it? You can now append the buyer's email to your redirect URL in payment links. That seems powerful.
Account cleanup for unused pages and blog posts. The Account Cleanup app now supports automated cleanup for new types of marketing content, landing pages, website pages, and blog posts. The automation will archive all unpublished pages and posts that haven't been modified in over 6 months. Account Cleanup tool is kind of cool. My official endorsement.
Happening all over the place because we all need it. Custom report builder, quick access to report settings. What is it? You can now edit settings for reports built using the custom report builder, giving you the same flexibility as reports built with the single object report builder.
Poof. Okay. Domain setting improvement. We have made a number of improvements to domain setting management. Below is a short list of some of those changes. If you're listening, not watching, the list just doesn't feel short. First, you can auto-associate new content types to existing domains. You can also have collapsible notifications. I guess I should read these. I don't know what these words mean. Auto-associate new content types to existing domains. When you gain access to a new content type, HubSpot will automatically assign it to an existing primary domain. For example, if your primary domain for a website is abc.com, you can add Service Hub Professional, then abc.com will automatically become the primary domain for your customer portal and knowledge base. Okay. Collapsible notifications. The persistent setup for domain is ready to be continued. Notifications are now collapsible by default when more than 3 notifications are in your setting page. improve business unit behavior. When a user connects a domain to their business unit from that business unit's domain setting screen, the connected domain will automatically be associated to said business unit. Persistent reverse proxy validation tools. The reverse proxy validation tool was previously only usable when you opted to not connect with HubSpot's built-in content delivery network. This would mark the domain status as reverse proxy. However, reverse proxies can be configured with domains set as ready for publishing or even not connected. We've made this setting available to domains of all status and sans connected. Persistent SSL validation tools. The SSL validation tool was previously only usable when a domain was connected to HubSpot. Now it is available to all domains of all statuses, for example, not connected or ready for publishing. System domains always appear in the UI. Previously, you needed to enable a toggle to see your system domains. Now they'll always appear in the settings. Reduced notification noise. Previously, users received notifications when they downgraded that their system domain would be disconnected. Unfortunately, these were not actionable notifications and frequently triggered by trial lapses. We're removing these notifications. That has happened to me.
Ready for the next one?
Please.
Committed.
Let me get some water.
A brand identity, source attribution. What is it? HubSpot now shows you where your brand information comes from across different sources. Your brand information is gathered from multiple sources like Breeze data enrichment and buyer intent data, AI settings, and domain crawls to provide context for AI tools. Now you can see exactly where each piece of information originates, giving you transparency into your brand data. I love that, HubSpot. Thank you.
I'm personally excited to see the word domain again. Domains activity log. You can now download a CSV file of your domain change and activity history from the past 90 days. This includes updates like domain additions, removals, and setting changes.
Got to get a feel for when certain teams show up with all their updates as we roll through these in date order. Customizable search results display. What is it? You can now select and reorder the properties that display on contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and custom objects in your global search results.
And the universe is in equilibrium because I'm getting all the lead scoring updates. Understand lead scoring calculations with improved test a record. The test a record feature in lead scoring has been improved to provide customers a clear view into how their scores are calculated while building a score. Test a record for contacts, companies, and deals is now more easily discoverable, aka you can find it more easily. Displays the number of events or contacts that meet rule level criteria, displays how many points from a group are allocated to the total score while taking into account group limits. For combined contact and company scores, it now shows the separate fit and engagement scores in addition to the total score.
Favorite one of the year. Favorite your product updates. What is it? Favorite product updates on the product updates pages to easily find them later. If anybody else cares about this update, like please reach out. I mean, we love it. Obviously. Yeah. So thank
I'm
you.
curious to hear your use cases, like beyond us.
Right.
So.
That's why. Like, are you somehow using this to enable your team? I'd love to know how.
Google Performance Max ad creation and enhanced reporting. HubSpot users can now create and view more granular reporting on Google Performance Max ad campaigns right from HubSpot. Chris has no idea most of the words I just said, but it's pretty good.
I'm just glad that I saw Neil Patel finally tell everybody that Google Ads might not be the way of the future, as Google changes everything. Account cleanup. What is it? Account Insights is now Account Cleanup. Account Cleanup allows admins to identify opportunities to tidy up and declutter their accounts. This includes both automated and manual tools to clean up low-value, unused assets in HubSpot and keep accounts organized, such as unused forms, workflows, privacy requests, and permissions for partner users. I'm glad I'm not in the world where I have to deal with an overwhelming amount of privacy requests.
Faster retrieval of social media comments. You can now see social comments within HubSpot in near real time, enabling you to more quickly identify, prioritize, and reply to critical social conversations. I know why it's not exactly real time, but still just funny to hear the term near real time.
So far. Customize inbound recording consent message. What is it? You can now completely customize the message that callers hear before they're connected to your reps and teams. This message informs them that their call is being recorded and gives you the opportunity to explain why and how your team uses the recordings.
Improve search for data variables in workflows. What is it? When searching for data variables, you now see all potential matches across all of your data sources.
Copy workflows to another HubSpot account is in development with a forward-looking statement at the top. What is it? In development, you can now copy workflows from one HubSpot account to another HubSpot account within your organization using multi-account management's asset copying functionality.
So excited I get to talk about this one. View all properties in a side panel. I gave the PM for this a friendship bracelet that said best product update of the year. What is it? The view all properties page now opens as a side panel that slides in from the right-hand side, allowing you to access property information without navigating away from your current page. I love this.
So good. So very, very good. Should just spend half an hour like unboxing. Like, this is how you get to it here. This is how you get to it from this record. Oh, this is this record.
I did ask him if he'd
Same
do an
thing.
unboxing, and he was like, sure, but like on what? And I was like, whatever.
Welcome to the shortest unboxing in HubSpot history. Sometimes that's what it takes. Updated limits and availability for custom tabs on CRM record pages. What is it? All HubSpot customers now have access to 10 custom tabs on CRM record pages. And prior to this, it was only available to enterprise. Big shift. Thank you, HubSpot. All right, are you done with
I feel like we can
AI?
do this. I'm actually.
Yeah, we got 28 minutes. We need to speed it up.
Oh, okay, never mind. Maybe we can't.
Your turn.
Video clip search agent. You now have access to a video clip search agent in Agent Studio, an AI agent that scans your video library and automatically surfaces clips aligned with trending industry topics. It helps you create timely, high-impact content without needing to sift through hours of footage manually. Awesome.
Unboxing coming in October. Private beta, AI email creation. What is it? AI email creation is your new AI powered writing partner that transforms how you create marketing emails. Just tell the AI what you want to achieve, whether it's announcing a flash sale, inviting customers to a webinar, or sending your monthly newsletter, and get a complete branded email draft in seconds. You can describe your goals in plain language, upload reference materials like Word or Google Docs files, or even share the link to your landing pages to provide context. In moments, the AI delivers a polished draft that includes subject line, preview text, body copy, and imagery suggestions are coming soon. Uh, all perfectly aligned with your brand, voice, and templates. So very powerful. You're muted again.
Whatever. Memories in Breeze Assistant. Memories allow Breeze Assistant to remember key details, performance, and past interactions from your chat so that you can deliver smarter, more personalized responses every time you chat.
And apparently some AI milestone has been achieved somewhere, because all of a sudden every AI tool I know has memories. So very cool. Marketing email classification properties in Custom Report Builder. What is it? Emails are now automatically analyzed and tagged with contextual metadata, enabling performance metrics to be reported on by email property types in the Custom Report Builder.
Prospect using buyer signals in Sales Hub. Sales teams can now instantly identify and prioritize the companies in their CRM most likely to respond positively to outreach by tracking website visits, research activities related to your products, recent funding events, and engagement with marketing materials. Your team can quickly uncover prospects demonstrating compelling reasons to connect.
Deal Loss Agent. What is it? The Deal Loss Agent is a new AI-powered agent in Breeze Studio that reviews closed lost deals and their associated records across a certain time frame. It creates a detailed report that surfaces common loss patterns, enabling data-driven improvements to sales strategy and execution. Maybe soon we can get a Deal One agent. Understand what's working.
See signals in a column in target accounts. Sales teams can now instantly identify and prioritize the companies in their target accounts that are most likely to respond positively to outreach. By tracking website visits, research activities related to your products, recent funding events, and engagement with marketing materials, your team can quickly uncover prospects demonstrating compelling reasons to connect.
Like there's going to be a battle to the death soon between Scores and Signals. And it's not looking good for Scores, Casey, if we're being honest.
Yikes.
Intent signals. What is it? Real-time intent signals written directly to your company and contact records. Track your highest value companies and will continuously enrich those companies and associated contacts with signals that include new signals like funding announcements, buying signals like visits to high intent pages, contact signals like champion job changes. The best part? Track signals will show up as events on record activity timelines and as workflow triggers, list filters, and lead scoring criteria.
Lead scoring. It's everywhere. Sales performance. A centralized space for sales leaders to track team progress and identify opportunities to drive better results. It brings together the scattered tools they use to understand if their reps are on track to meet their goals, with proactive insights and summaries to help them spot patterns in their team's activities.
Shopify Store Performance Agent. What is it? We're excited to introduce the Shopify Store Performance Agent, now available in beta for merchants who use the HubSpot Shopify integration. This Breeze AI agent automatically analyzes Shopify store data synced into HubSpot, surfaces key e-commerce performance metrics, and offers HubSpot specific recommendations all in one view. Think of it as a performance dashboard and strategic assistant rolled into one. If I had this integration, I would certainly join this beta. Oh, just kidding.
Great. Dynamic AI email personalization. Dynamic AI email enables hyper-personalization in marketing emails by using AI to automatically create unique personalized email copy for each individual recipient. Instead of sending the same generic email to your entire list, AI crafts personalized email body content tailored specifically to each contact at send time using the information stored on their contact record in your CRM, assuming you have data.
Now you're getting it. Oh man, a few extras here that we
Great.
gotta wade through. This one
My
is
heart's
different.
racing. I don't know why.
They're not gonna let you avoid the signals. Telling you.
They're just
But this one is about MCP, HubSpot MCP client, different from the remote version that we talked about earlier. What is it? The HubSpot MCP client allows you to customize your agents in Agent Studio to connect directly to external systems using the Model Context Protocol, MCP. It enables agents to access live data and perform actions across multiple tools using natural language with no cumbersome integrations or coding experience required. These connections allow HubSpot teams to customize their agents to operate across multiple systems with natural language. We get it, HubSpot. Making it easier to automate internal research, accelerate decision making, and streamline coordination. For example, users are able to leverage information from deal status changes in HubSpot to draft contextual Notion documents or auto-generate Asana follow-ups when specific CRM conditions are met. For example, deal stage or support form submissions. The HubSpot MCP client is modular and is designed for early experimentation. You can connect to one or more services at a time, depending on your use case. This release is focused on exploring how AI agents can support real-world workflows through secure, controlled integrations with external tools. Future enhancements will provide additional supported MCP servers, usage, and insights, as well as support in the Breeze Assistant.
use Copilot to build workflows. Copilot is now your go-to AI-first workflow builder that makes it easier than ever to create automation for any use case and benefit from the full breadth of HubSpot's workflow tools. I've tested this in the past and have not been super thrilled with the outcome. So looking forward to seeing what is updated. That's how I'll phrase it.
We'll talk about that one more someday. Breeze summarize record workflow action. What is it? Introducing the new Breeze summarize record workflow action. Your turn.
I know. I was trying to find which one is the next one. Connect your LLM to HubSpot custom workflow actions. Connect your favorite AI models, OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, Cohere, and XAI, well, there's some new ones for me, to create custom AI-powered workflow actions. Using your own large language model, LLM account, you can integrate outputs from these actions with other workflow actions, like sending notifications or creating tasks. For example, you could prompt an AI to summarize enrolled records and then send that summary directly to a sales rep.
Choose from an expanding list of supported LLM providers: OpenAI, Anthropic, Cohere, XAI, Gemini, all managed via the Connect Apps page, providing seamless, centralized, and consistent app management experience. I'm starting to get a little overwhelmed here, if I'm being honest. So much power in front of
We'll
us.
have you. Oh, wait, no. Your next one's different.
Generate CTAs with AI. What is it? You can now generate pop-up CTAs using AI. Just write a short prompt describing what you need, and HubSpot will take care of the rest.
Speaking of getting overwhelmed with the power, AI research skills in workflows. You can now research companies with AI directly from workflows with 2 new AI skills: infer company value proposition and ICP, and research company news. The infer word is kind of crazy to me. Using infer company value proposition and ICP will scrape a company's website and output what the company sells, their value propositions, target industries, and target personas. Using the research company news, you can generate a concise summary of a company's recent business news specified by their company's website. Intriguing that that's based on their company's website. That's not always where company news is.
New data source for smart properties. Call transcripts. What is it? You can now use call transcripts as a data source for smart properties,
Thanks for your work here, Chris.
alongside web research, company website, and property data.
Predictive deal score, buyer engagement signals. HubSpot's deal score model now includes new high signal outputs from rep activity and buyer engagement. These added signals allow the model to better reflect real deal momentum, like whether a rep is actively working the deal and whether a buyer is engaged with outreach. This enhancement improves the accuracy and usefulness of deal scores by factoring in meaningful behaviors that indicate whether a deal is likely to close.
Mind. We'll always have the word score.
See?
Smart properties, dynamic variables, and prompts. What is it? You can now insert property tokens into your smart property prompts. These tokens let you reference existing property values within the prompt. Remember, all these smart property updates consume HubSpot credits.
Yes.
Probably worth it. Just take care.
New data model intro page. The data model space has a new intro page. This collection of tools helps you configure your data model quickly and competently, even if you're new to HubSpot or data modeling. The page introduces multiple ways to use AI to get started, quick suggestions, and the ability to save a collection of changes to review with your team and apply later.
Analyze tab. What is it? We're surfacing a new set of 7 forms reports directly in the Forms Analyze tab. These reports give you more flexibility than ever before. Generate AI-powered insights and recommendations and can be saved to your own custom dashboards. You'll also be able to edit and save reports on the Analyze tab, or even replace the Analyze tab with a custom dashboard tailored to your needs.
Create social posts with AI in app. With the Create with AI button, you can create social media posts within seconds. You can fill in any contextual information such as text, URLs, PDFs, and this will pull from your content to create posts optimized for each network. You can use your images or have AI generate images as well. These are ready to publish posts that keep in mind your brand and social voice.
Optimize your social posts, captions, and best time to publish. What is it? AI caption optimizers. Creating a post across many networks can be very time consuming. The caption optimizer gives you inflow, AI powered recommendations to improve your copy and make it network specific in just one click. With recommended times to post, HubSpot uses your previous engagement data to suggest top times to publish so you can get the most of your reach. Hover over to see why this time was recommended for you.
Love that. This feels like a possible hack.
Feels like a what?
A hack. You said to get through all of them. CRM Smart Insights. Reading
Okay.
off of
All right. We'll close that one. I don't know. They don't even update these. This is like from August 25th. Pretty sure it was announced. But yeah, we'll just
What
keep
was the
going.
term you used before? When you get through a video game as fast as possible?
Oh,
By any means necessary?
speed
That's what I
running.
meant. Yeah,
Speed
yeah, yeah.
running. Now, okay. I'm
I
with
thought
you.
that was a speed running hack.
This is a glitch to skip
Yes,
over. Okay. I'm with you.
it's helpful when you have to explain the joke. HubSpot
Yeah.
connector for ChatGPT. What is it? We've expanded HubSpot's connector for ChatGPT. It's now just as good at answering quick, everyday questions as it is at deep research and analysis. We rolled it out first to help with deep research, giving you PhD level insights from your HubSpot context right in ChatGPT. Now we've expanded the search functionality to answer quick, everyday questions in addition to deep research with HubSpot's connector for ChatGPT. You can now ask questions ranging from simple, how many high priority tickets were created last week in HubSpot, to complex, analyze seasonality patterns in ticket volumes by category, to forecast support team staffing needs for the upcoming quarter, across chat and deep research, respectively. The HubSpot connector for ChatGPT helps you get actionable insights grounded in your CRM data. For inspiration and example prompts, please visit the prompt library.
And lots of prompts. Just make sure you know how to respond to the response, or else they won't help you very much. App Insights, Portal and Trends Data. What is it? App usage insights provide partners the ability to select API operations to view daily, weekly, and monthly trends and usage based on public APIs, identify top portals and portal usage, and view active installations and active installation trends over the past 30 days. This one designed for marketplace app partners.
Mhm.
Good stuff.
Edit brand information. HubSpot now lets you customize your brand information used in AI tools. HubSpot's AI tools use brand information to provide helpful context for content creation. This data is automatically gathered from Breeze Intelligence, AI settings, and domain crawls. Now you can review and edit this brand information to add your own insights, giving AI an even deeper understanding of your brand.
Manage video captions in Social Editor. What is it? You now have access to a Manage Captions button when adding a video in the Social Editor. This new capability lets you easily view, edit, and translate video captions all directly within your social publishing workflow. We did it. We didn't, it's not 100,
195.
so we missed some somewhere, but I'm okay with it.
Did we, or
what's
was
that?
the 200 a rounded up? Did we miss any, or was 200 a rounded up number?
It was not a rounded up. When we started, there was 202.
Oh, okay.
And, as we cross pages and orders change, it's inevitable that something else is filling in the previous 10,
Mhm.
right? That we
Mhm.
may have not seen. But excited that we end on this one. And maybe we'll jump into pick a couple favorites. I guarantee this is easier than the process you have right now. If you are having to manage video captions and social posts. So if you have access to Marketing Hub Pro or above, please take a look at this. So much time can be saved by utilizing it.
Can you search for me ABM landing page?
We didn't go over that, did we?
We didn't. And so I thought if very least we could end it on a 195, or was that 195 the one you just did?
We'll see. Let's call it 200 at the end of the
So the AVM landing page agent automatically generates personalized landing pages for your target accounts, powered by HubSpot CRM data, buyer intent signals, and prospect insights. Pages can be created on demand or triggered by account activity, ready to share with prospects. Sounds pretty cool.
Yeah.
I do a lot of AVM work personally.
This is huge, right? But keep in mind, like Casey said earlier, she shared her experience about Breeze and workflows. I was excited to show this off yesterday. So I picked, you go in, you pick a random company and you just hit the button and the result, it was okay. But there was none of the brand settings have been completed. So all the information that it's trying to draw on is not there to actually make it, really good. So yeah, like fill out the stuff that it needs. This is why step one is unifying the business context inside of HubSpot and default on the side of yes, that should be in HubSpot, and you'll be in a much better place because it's the kind of things like brand decks. Like imagine your brand slide deck that's like 100 slides. That's like, oh, we can't bring that into HubSpot. Yes, you can, and you should. And if you do, AI will do better things for you.
Yeah.
Is this the update that you shared
in the
chat?
No, it's a different one. There's also conversational enrichment for transcripts. I keep finding ones we didn't see that are actually cool, but
how did they sneak all these by us?
I know, but George and Robert also possibly waiting in a waiting room somewhere.
I'll hit this one and then we'll wrap. Conversational enrichment for transcripts. What is it? Conversational enrichment for meeting transcript automatically updates contact and company records with firmographic and demographic insights captured during customer meetings. It can also create new contact records when meeting participants aren't already in your CRM. Wow. What a way to end. Thank you for digging up a couple more. That puts us at 196. And maybe we'll find a few more as we hop over to the HubSpot helpline. We'll be taking calls or comments, hopefully about HubSpot updates there's a lot of people asking about them everywhere, so I'm sure it won't be hard for us to find those questions either, but we'd love to do it with you live. So thanks so much for this marathon with me, Casey. Time
I'm
to
feeling
go.
accomplished, so
I know. Me too. But there's always another show. So we'll see you over there.
see you
Everybody
there.
have a great day.